In today's fast-paced digital world, technology surrounds us from the moment we wake up to the moment we fall asleep. Smartphones, social media, emails, and constant notifications have become a permanent part of our daily routine. While technology has made life easier and more connected, it has also silently created a mental health crisis that many people fail to recognize. This is where the concept of digital fasting comes in. Digital fasting is the intentional decision to step away from screens for a specific period of time. It is not about rejecting technology, but about creating balance. Just like our body needs rest from continuous eating, our brain needs rest from constant digital stimulation. Research shows that the average person spends more than 7 hours a day staring at screens. This overexposure has been directly linked to anxiety, depression, poor sleep quality, reduced attention span, and emotional exhaustion. Our brains were never designed to process such a massive amount of information nonstop. Every notification, like, message, or alert triggers a dopamine release in the brain. Dopamine is the chemical responsible for pleasure and reward. Over time, excessive dopamine stimulation creates addiction-like behavior. We start checking our phones without any purpose, scrolling endlessly, even when it brings no real happiness. Digital fasting helps break this cycle.
When we reduce screen time, the brain begins to recalibrate itself. Dopamine levels stabilize, making natural activities like reading, walking, talking, and thinking enjoyable again. This reset leads to improved focus, emotional clarity, and mental calmness. One of the biggest benefits of digital fasting is stress reduction. Constant exposure to negative news, social comparisons, and online pressure increases cortisol, the stress hormone. Digital breaks allow the nervous system to relax, reducing anxiety and mental overload. Sleep quality also improves significantly. Blue light from screens suppresses melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. When we disconnect from screens, especially before bedtime, our sleep becomes deeper, longer, and more restorative.
Digital fasting also enhances creativity and productivity. Without constant interruptions, the brain enters a state of deep focus. Ideas flow more naturally, problem-solving improves, and mental performance increases. Surprisingly, digital fasting strengthens real-life relationships. People report more meaningful conversations, better family bonding, and stronger emotional connections when screens are put aside. Being present becomes a habit again. Scientific studies strongly support these benefits. A recent behavioral psychology study found that participants who practiced weekend digital fasting experienced a significant reduction in anxiety and an increase in attention span within just 4 weeks. Another study revealed that limiting social media use increased overall life satisfaction and emotional resilience.
Digital fasting does not require extreme rules. Simple practices can make a powerful difference. Avoid screens during meals. Turn off notifications that are not essential. Create screen-free hours before sleep. Take 1 day a week as a digital detox day. Even small steps create big mental shifts. Many people fear missing out during digital fasting. This fear is temporary. After a few days, clarity replaces anxiety, and peace replaces restlessness. Productivity increases instead of decreasing. Digital fasting is not about living with technology. It is about using technology consciously rather than letting it control us.
In a world dominated by screens, intentional disconnection has become a necessity, not a luxury. Digital fasting offers a simple yet powerful path toward mental balance, emotional health, and inner peace. The question is no longer whether we need digital fasting. The real question